Foggy here, and I'm just out in Bruderheim, just breaking in the new belt that I put on the squeaky limo. And it is like plus 14 out. This is absolutely awesome. It's supposed to get colder in the next couple of days, so figured I'd seize the opportunity, come out here and just have a little bit of fun. So anyways guys, as always, hope you enjoy, and we'll see you on the trail. So as you guys can see in behind me, they're, well, I'll be honest with you, I don't know what they're doing. I don't know if they're doing some mining. It almost looks like they are. For what, I have no idea. If any of you guys know what the construction project is going on out here, drop it in the comment section below. I'd be interested to find out. But I'm going to continue down this way, and yeah, basically just a bunch of trail riding today there, guys. Like I say, got to break in that belt and just enjoy the weather. So out riding, it's awesome. Anyways, continue on here. Well, got ourselves down to a nice little picnic area. I can hear there's people riding just up over this. I just don't know how to get there, but I'm gonna keep putzing around, and hopefully I can find myself on that side of this river or stream or whatever this is. So anyways, kind of neat. Again, beautiful day, just out having fun. Alright, so I just seen a guy in a quad literally drive just right up there, so clearly there's a trail up there, and that's what I'm going to be looking to find here, because I'm sure that that trail will put me on the other side of this. There's essentially a skating rink down here, and but a couple of cool bridges I'll show you right now. I've never seen these before. I'm guessing they were probably built within the last few years, but yeah, kind of neat. There's a real skinny one over there for the dirt bikers. The old squeaky limo back there. Deegan's Creek Bridge. All right, well, thank you very much, Deegan's. So as I was saying earlier, there is a crossing right here. Now I don't know how deep this is, and I'm out here on a solo mission and I want to walk down there, but she's greasy. So yeah, I just don't know how deep that would be, because there is a way. There's a trail right there. But again, how deep is that? And do you only cross it when it's frozen over? I guess would be the big question. I'm going to say it's deeper than what I want to go through. We're just going to leave it at that. I'm going to continue on and try to find a way to get to the other side that's not super treacherous. Oh, here we go. No bueno. Bumped into a guy there right on the river, and I didn't know how deep it was, but he was nice enough to walk in with his rubber boots, show me that it wasn't that deep, so that was kind of cool. So as I was cutting the intro, caught something out of the corner of my eye, and yeah, just walking over to have a look at it now. I don't know what it is, but let's go have a look at it anyway. Oh yeah, a skull of some sort, probably a deer or something like that. So again, if you guys know what this is, what type of animal that was, drop it in the comment section below. Anyways, let's continue riding. Have her Bruderheim conquered. No, definitely not conquered. There is so many more trails out there than I really knew. So and I haven't hit all of them, but anyway, making my way back home here. So if you stayed this long in the video, thanks for watching, and we will see you